Oh yeah, Chris here again. Bit more work on the RT-651. Today I've finally got the a decoder working for it, a PC-based decoder. So let's just go over the setup. So we've got the analyzer, similar as last video. Analyzer, an attenuator, coax running around here to the actual transceiver, control cable going down to my breakout here. Now it's the transceiver's being powered by actually the battery pack for this transceiver, because I ran this one flat. Then there's the control cable going to the control head, and now I've added to this test setup here. My oscilloscope is decoding the 485 serial data so that I can see it down here. Okay, that's what the frames look like. So that's connected to the 485 data bus down here, and I also have this other cable here which is running up to my 485 to USB converter, and we can see it, the frames are being received here. On my PC I've got a U-Butte handy dandy decoder for it, so I'm detecting the frames that are being sent. So I'll just flick some stuff here on the, so you can see how this works. So this area down here shows us the last frames that were received, and this map here shows me all the details of the data that was received. So what information I've got so far is I can tell the frequency. Based on that we can detect the band. I can also off the table tell out what modulation we're using. I can see whether the mode switch or the on-off switch here, I can see whether that's an off TR plus G. Okay, so we can see that, and I can also tell whether the squelch is off or on. Now there's a lot of other packet data here. The ones that are being decoded for the frequency are F0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that you can see there. And the rest of it is all, there's a couple of other flags there that do the modulation, and the basically these three is what I can tell out of this data. There's a heck of a lot going more on there, but I just wanted to run a short video and show that it's possible. Now, you can. I'm using this is all, the program itself is just JavaScript inside HTML, so this is just like a web page. So if I change the frequency here, we can see that it, I'm changing it with my right hand on the, and you can see it's changing there. And you can see that it's automatically picking up that, hey, we're going from marine to SATCOM to VHF low band. So we can see that, and we can see that the mode is changing as well. And if I put the squelch on, we can see that works as well. If I turn the switch to enable the guard receiver as well, we can see that happening. So I'm pretty happy with it so far. In theory, we could probably instead of just displaying, we could probably generate all this data and completely do away with the control head and just control the radio from this USB going down. We would just need a manual switch to switch the radio, the transceiver. This is the transceiver. We could use just a manual switch to switch that off and on if we wanted to. So there you go. All very good and very pleased. Alright, well thank you for watching my videos, and I hope you enjoyed this latest update. Cheers.